What's up, love? So it's your girl, and this video is going to be of me styling this unit that I created using hair from QueenLifeHair. Yes, you guys, I did write that on the inside of the cap. That's the way I know which wig this is. I did sew some combs in this, and I did put in an elastic band. They did send me their Brazilian virgin water wave hair in the lengths of 22, 22, 20, and an 18-inch frontal. I think there was either 3 or 4 bundles, but either way, I did use 3. And the hair is super long. Now, let me tell you guys about this frontal. As you guys see, it is parting really nicely. It looks so natural. So when I first bleached the knot, okay, I left it on for 30 minutes with 30 developer and, you know, just regular bleach. And the knots did not lift after 30 minutes. So I had did this one along with another unit. So then I was just like, oh my gosh, after I went ahead and rinsed the bleach out. So right after I rinsed it out, I went ahead and just re-bleached it while the hair was wet. So hunties, once I went ahead and re-bleached it and I left it on there for like another 25 minutes, the knots lifted so nicely. The hair did not shed. It did not get brassy, like amazing. So this frontal is really like A1 in my book. Like this is a really, really good frontal. I love when they just don't shed and stuff like that. That means that they're really worth it. So as you guys see, I'm just gonna go ahead and customize this to my head, and I'm just gonna cut off some of the excess lace on the sides because, you know, these lace frontals, they aren't made for just like you in particular. They're universal sizes, so you're definitely gonna have to customize it. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I did sew this on a spandex dome cap, and for some reason this one fits like amazing. Like it really fits great. The elastic band helps it. I only put like the combs in the back. I didn't put any combs at the temple or anything because, you know, I'm trying to grow out my edges. Plus I really don't think you need them, especially if you're going to like either mousse it down, hairspray it down, gel it down, glue it down. Whatever preference is yours, it's up to you how you want to do it. But you will need some baby hairs. I mean, well, you won't, but me, I like some. So that's what I'm going to create now. So the hair, for one, is really nice hair. It washes easy. You know, I love a good wavy style, especially if it really waves up, then you don't have to do anything at all. But the one thing that I was really, really pleased with was the frontal. Like, I had bleached another one at the same time, and to me that one shed like, and it lifted super fast, but this one, no ma'am, it gave me no issues at all. And honestly, this is not the first time that I've had to re-bleach a frontal or a closure, and it just seems like they work really, really good when they're wet. So I mean, I might have to just start, you know, spritzing some water on them from time to time and then bleaching them, because it seems like it just lifts the hair a lot better. So now you guys know the oldie but goodie. It's not really old, but this is my favorite mousse in the whole world. Yes, honeys, available at the Dollar Tree for $1. Make me holla. I love this mousse. I have probably like 8 cans of it. I will never run low on stock. I used to be like an Aussie instant freeze girl, mousse type of girl, but that stuff is like $4. And then I even tried herbal essence. That's almost $4. They all work the same, so why not just get yourself a $1 can? This handy dandy tool that I'm using is an eyebrow trimmer, and I also did get that at my local Dollar Tree as well. They do come in a 3-pack. So I'm going to use this just to form me some baby hairs. Trust me when I'm telling you, I'm not going to be using all of the hairs that I cut out, but you know, from time to time I might switch it up. So I just got me some baby hairs already ready to go. Ready to go. Now, I do like to keep the ones on the side, like closer to my ear, a little bit longer. That just helps the wig lay in place a little bit more for me. And that's just what I do. But like I said, everybody has their own preference. It's up to you how you want to do your lace front wig. But like I said, the hair is nice. It just shed a little bit once I washed it. Not the frontal, but the actual bundles. And I did use all the bundles. I'm not really sure if they sent me 3 or 4. They probably sent me 3 bundles, because you really only need like 3 when you're doing a frontal. But it's up to you. You can always double the tracks. But this one I only used 3. And I love the cap. Like, this cap is not like the average cap. It's a little bit smaller. These ones seem to run smaller, which are really great for making wigs. So now what I did is I did use my Pump It Up hairspray, which is great for holding down your wigs for like a day or 2 or 3. And then you just tie a scarf around it like so, and then you just apply some heat to it. Honestly, I don't even do it like this anymore with the curling barrel because it started getting really hot on my scalp. And I mean, listen, I'm not trying to really lose any skin, any brain cells, so I actually do it with my blow dryer now. And I will have a video of me using the blow dryer, how I use my blow dryer to apply my wigs in about a week or so, so just stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm just going to go ahead and saturate the hair, or not really saturate it, but wet it up a bit so that way the waves really start to pop. This is just conditioner and water in this bottle right here. The conditioner I actually did get from a young lady who I did a video on. Her conditioner is really great, and I did throw in some Dove conditioner up in there too. Like, I do like Dove conditioner as well. So the back portion of the hair, I'm going to end up not blow drying it, but curling it, but we'll see how that turns out, hunties. So I'm just going to take off this scarf right now and let's see how it comes out. This was definitely like, you know, probably like 30 minutes later, you know, because I did go outside and get Mumsy from school. So kind of like air dried a little bit. You can tell from the curls it's a little bit dry. So I did, you know, walk around the house and kind of let it air dry out. Now I didn't really know which side I wanted the part on, but normally when I do a part on one side and if I flip it over on the opposite side, the volume in the front is like amazeballs. Like, for real, if you only want some volume, if you want some volume up in your hair, girls, definitely part it on one side and then flip it over to the opposite side. You will have all the volume you need. Like, seriously, your hair will be heightened to the T. So as you guys see, the hair is really cute. It's very wavy, super long, you know what I mean, very summer-like. You could put on a maxi dress with this and look really cute, girl, okay? Like, look, I'm saying, are you slaying? I do like the sideburns, or not the sideburns, but the baby hairs. And I'm saying, do you see the parting in this? Like, did I do a good job or what? I'm just saying. Like, I'm really tickled pink that this frontal came out really nice. So QueenLifeHair, QueenLife, like seriously, girl, they got some really nice hair. I'm very shocked at the quality. The prices are super affordable. Now I'm going to go ahead and just, you know, press the front of my hair just to lay it flatter, and also it will hike up a little bit of volume. I know, you guys, you did see me kind of like scorch my scalp a little bit. You know, hey, that's what happens when you're trying to do your hair. But do you see how well the hair lays? Now keep in mind, the frontal did not come like this, meaning I had to pre-pluck it, pre-tweeze it, you know, thin it out in the front just to make it look a little bit more natural. But you know, it was so worth it. Now I'm just going to be curling it. I'm just going to curl the back some where I didn't wet it because I just didn't want to wet too much, but I should have. But I'm just going to take this really tiny barrel curler, which is from the Irresistible Me wand collection. You guys know how much I rave about that wand that I'm always using. Well, that's the smallest one in the barrel, and I absolutely love it. It's great for giving yourself like little beachy waves. So don't you think this hair came out cute? You could definitely dye it, bleach it, do what you want with it, but I think like QueenLife has some really nice hair. I'll definitely keep you guys posted on this. I will be doing an update soon, but I think it's gorgeous. You can check the description box out for all the details. Let me know what you think. I love you guys. Stay diva and divalicious. I'll see you guys in a soon to come video, and bye.